This is the ideapad 3 from Lenovo, one of the best affordable laptop with Intel Core i3 11th generation, and this is variety stick. You guys make sure to subscribe, give me thumbs up. We're going to be doing unboxing, review, giving my thoughts, and do some test and benchmark. Let's find out. Now, before we speaking about the specification, let me give you this disclaimer. This laptop is an entry-level laptop meant to be for people don't want to get the high performance of the laptop. This will be great for people who want to do some work, office, internet browsing, and low graphics gaming. That should be more than enough. For other people expecting high performance of this laptop, that's not going to be something this laptop will offer you. So you guys need to consider a different laptop offer more or higher specifications. Let me start with the display and tell you why I didn't like it. First, the specification starting with a size 15.6 inches, high definition resolution, which is the max you can get, is 1366 by 786. It has anti-glare and it supports multi-touch, so you can touch the screen if you like that feature. The main issue with the colors, the vividness, the angle of view, and the brightness. And actually colors are not true, and the experience overall was not great for me. Now, for the design build construction, you guys are not gonna expect anything fancy for this laptop. We don't have LED lights, we don't have even lightning letters for the keyboard. The experience overall with the keyboard was great. Even the mouse pad was great. I didn't have any problem with the performance, at least. Also, this laptop feature 3 USB, 2 3.0 and 1 2.1, and also has 2 microphone, camera, and HDMI, and memory slot for external memory, which is a good thing in my opinion. And I would say this is basic for any laptop you buy these days. Now, one of the things I like about the audio that we have 2 firing speakers with Dolby audio, provide decent and good sound system for the laptop. Now, one of the things I didn't like will be the hinge of the display. I feel it loose a little bit, but this shouldn't affect the experience using the laptop. Now, the laptop doesn't offer NFC and it doesn't offer Touch ID to unlock with your fingerprint. The laptop has Bluetooth version 5 and it has Wi-Fi 5.0, which is what I would expect from any laptop in 2023. Now, for the battery has capacity of 35 watt per hour. If you want to translate this to milliamp, 4666, which is my cell phone has 5000 milliamp, but you don't want this to upset you. First of all, the low performance of the display, it won't consume a lot of power. And the good things also, the charging speed 65 watt, so it will charge your battery so quickly. So you guys will expect to use the laptop from 5 to 6 hours of screen on time. That always depends on what you do. Gaming, it will consume more of the battery and you guys gonna expect less performance for the battery, but if we take average, it will be from 5 to 6 hours. Unfortunately, this laptop doesn't support charging with USB. It will be just only standard charging, but as I said, 65 watt is considered fast charging, and you guys will expect to charge the laptop from 0% to 100% within hour and 20 minutes. Now, the main hardware specifications, starting with the processor, we have Intel Core i3 and we have 8GB DDr4, and we have SSD hard drive 256 gigs. You have the option to expand the SSD up to 1 terabytes if you want, or you can use external drive and memory card slots. So the memory, I don't think so will be an issue for you if you are not using this laptop to play video games, because games takes the most of gigabytes. Now the performance was very good, especially with Core i3, the 11th generation. I haven't noticed any problem, lags, delay. The laptop in general responds very quick for everything I was doing, even with games, not high quality games, I would say not AAA games. You should have no issue, and you're gonna expect the best performance of the processor. Now let's just go back to the processor, because it has built-in GPU, and this is the Intel UHD. Now if you guys are planning to play video games, maybe 2D games, old 3D games, you should be fine. Playing AAA games, I even tried to play Tomb Raider, the Shadow of Tomb Raider, in this laptop. The performance was absolutely terrible. I didn't have a frame drops, but I have so much glitches that because the graphics card was not able to render the character correctly. So we've seen all kind of issues, and that tells you something. This is not meant to play video games. So please, if you want to buy this and you're expecting to play video games, no, just go buy PS4, PS5 and play games, so you don't need to spend thousands of dollars on a laptop. Now, should you buy this laptop? It depends. If you're looking for entry-level laptop and you don't want to break the bank, you are on the budget. I spent $299 with a flash sale from Best Buy, but I believe now it's still available for $350, which is decent price in my opinion. I didn't have a Windows laptop like this. I use Mac, so this is a great thing just to get into the Windows in general and have that experience. So I want to do some task using this laptop. I'm not planning to play video games and stuff like this, because this is not going to provide me the good gaming experience. Yes, in my opinion, this is a buy for me for that price I spent, but for you, you need to know why you are buying this laptop for. If you want something to play video games, it's not something you guys need to consider. Maybe you consider a console if you want to buy this and do some tasks. That would be a great idea. I don't know what you guys think. Leave this in a comment below. Let me know. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos here on this channel. Thank you so much for watching. As always, guys, we'll talk to you in the next video.